Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, I'll bring you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, we got some good news for you. It's Samsung news. Now, for those of you all who are into the S lineup and you're thinking about getting the Galaxy S10, right now you can reserve your place in line to get your smartphone on March 8th. That's right, they're talking about delivering it on March 8th, and on top of it, right, you're going to be able to get $50 off your accessories, and on top of that, Samsung is going to allow you to trade in your smartphone and be able to get up to $550 off of this, which I'm quite sure they're going to allow you to put it toward the smartphone. Listen, you cut your bill in half, or how much you're going to be paying for this smartphone depending on which one you get. Listen, this smartphone is going to be a super beast. We're getting a triple camera. We're also getting a fingerprint scanner up under the display. I can't wait till the Galaxy Note 10 gets here, because these things that we're getting on the Galaxy S lineup, we're going to get on the Note 10 and then some. But also we're getting up to 1 terabyte of storage on the smartphone. Do we really need that much? But whether we do or not, Samsung is definitely giving it to us. It's going to cost, but they're giving it to us. All right, you all, you got to go ahead and check this out. I am going to leave the link in the description down below. So let's talk about the Galaxy Sport. Now, the Galaxy Sport is not going to be called the Galaxy Sport. It's going to be called the Galaxy Watch Active. It makes sense. The world's into fitness and staying healthy, so I'm with that. That's cool. Now, we also know that we're not going to have the rotating bezel, and I'm cool with that. I love this edge-to-edge display look. It's going to put you in the mind of the Moto 360, but of course, we know it's going to be better because we're going to get a better display. Now, it also seems like we might have a slight UI refresh on this device. One of the things I'm glad about, or at least I'm glad about at the moment, is that they're not giving it that rugged look so far as the outside exterior is concerned. Hopefully they leave it just like the photos look right now, which looks beautiful. I can't wait to see this thing in person. Now, so far as the specs, what we're getting on this smartwatch, we're supposed to get an AMOLED display, of course, 360 by 360, 1.2-inch screen display, and 236 milliamp hour battery with Bluetooth 4.0. And we're supposed to get an Exynos 9110 processor in this smartphone. So this is going to be really, really nice. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see the new refresh, but I'm looking more so to see what the design is really going to look like. Now, these are only renders at this point, but the renders, they look good. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope this is it. And with that being said, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know, are you looking for this new design, or are you looking for something different? And are you going to miss the rotating bezel, or does it make a difference to you? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.